All right, so we should have a pretty quick project today. We're replacing the passenger side door hinge pin on the lower part of the door. I've broken off a bolt, so I need to replace this whole pin. I've got a kit here that I purchased for about 35 bucks or so off of Amazon. It's pretty cheap, should get the job done relatively quick. So let's get to that. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is remove this part of the panel here with the hinge pin. Here's the damaged part that is snapped off, and I've already gone and taken a knife. It's been a pretty crappy job, but I've gotten some of the paint off of the heads here, and we're going to take them off. So there we have it, new and old. As you can see, it took quite a bit of hammering. I think I was probably hammering for about, I don't know, 15 or so minutes. And where that old thread used to be is now completely hammered in. So yeah, let's put on this new piece here, and then we will take a look at the rest of the hinge. Okay, after a very unsuccessful attempt at putting the copper hinge pin sleeve back on the hinge, I've just decided to opt it out. I don't think I need it. I don't know, we'll see. But the important thing is the pin is in here. Okay, I got it to fit, everything in here is fine. All I gotta do is just screw this back in and throw it back on the Jeep. But the copper sleeve could not get to go on, so I don't know what's up with that. This would be a lot easier to film if I did not break my tripod. What can you do? That's all there is.